guess our furniture would fit in here. It's nice and bright.
It's a lot smaller than the master. Of the bedroom downstairs. Oh, but this is much smaller.
Oh, wow. It sure is.
Here.
What else do we have?
Bedroom.
Okay. Now, this is funky. What's this? Wow.
The bonus room.